between me and you, the more I use Linux, the more I understand why people use it in the first place. It's free, open source, and you have full control of everything in Linux. Now, freedom isn't a bad thing by any means, because basically, when you have the absolute freedom to do whatever, you immediately become creative and passionate about the things you do. Which brings us back to Linux once again, an operating system that changed the game rules forever. Unlike Windows, where you can't customize it, in Linux you can. And with hopes and dreams, people were able to create pretty cool distros, to be honest. And over the years, the Linux community received hundreds, if not thousands, of Linux distributions. Now, without wasting any time, let me introduce you to Ubuntu Satanic Edition, released back in the 15th of November of 2012, and that's basically all I know about it. Besides the fact that it's Ubuntu. Today I'm gonna take a look at it and see what this edition of Ubuntu can offer. Now, starting with the webpage, sadly I couldn't find the official webpage for this Ubuntu Satanic Edition. It's basically just hosted on Archive OS, where, there's a little bit of info about it, and that's really it. Also including the ISO, which you can download by clicking on download and choosing one of those. I already downloaded, so I don't have to download it again. Now, let's just read this together. So website, Ubuntu Satanic. Give me a minute. Wait. How to install Ubuntu step by step? Wait, that's their official website? Ryzen should you buy? It's really confusing. That's a blog, but it looks really silly. Well, okay. Okay, nice. Origin is, of course, the USA. Category, desktop. Desktop environment is GNOME. x86, based on Ubuntu. Okay, so no Wikipedia. Nice. Media, it's a live CD. And the last version released is 666.11. I just want to know what that means, because I'm really curious. It has something to do with the satanic thingies. I don't know. Personal 11. I'm sure thread followers. Apply the portal service and play it. What's that? I don't know. I have no idea. Why have they chosen that specific number? 666.11. Harmful materials. What is all of this? I really have no idea. Go back over here. And yeah, it was released on November the 15th of 2012. Ubuntu Satanic Edition, an Ubuntu-based Linux distribution which brings together the best free software and free metal music on one CD. Okay. Alongside the metal music, there is a standard set of pre-installed applications. You can find it in early versions of Ubuntu and GNOME Desktop. Ubuntu Satanic Edition features a dark theme, dark icon set, Plymouth theme with the satanic logo, dark wallpapers, etc. Sorry. The last version of Ubuntu Satanic Edition is 666.10. Well, the last version says it's .11 over here, but over here it says .10, okay. Was released in July 2011. Guys, whoever, deal with this type of articles, please focus on the little details. You guys said that it was released back in 2012, over here 2011. I have no idea, but the ISO image is not reachable. Of course it's not. That's why I wasn't able to find it anywhere else but this website. The last one I can share is 666.9. Okay, this is really confusing and I have no idea what the hell is going on in here. I was just trying to have an idea about this Satanic Edition of Ubuntu, but I guess they made me even more confused. That's why I will just close this webpage and go over here, open my virtual machine, which is Oracle VirtualBox, and let's just get started. Now let me switch that up, just like that. No, try Ubuntu, but exactly just like that. So it's booting. It's based on Ubuntu 10. something. I have no idea, but it's really old since it's from 2011 or 2010 or 2012. I have really no idea when that thing was first released. Okay. Oh wow. GNOME used to look good. I like the classic looks of GNOME. Now, what I can see in front of me is this wallpaper with the Ubuntu, the classic Ubuntu logo over here. Not that bad. So open Metalcast, we have install Ubuntu Satanic and advanced settings. Now I'm wondering if I should install this or not. Maybe I should give it a try and see what the experience is gonna be after installing Ubuntu Satanic. So let's just do it. Like, what's the worst that could happen? Seriously. Okay, you know what? The resolution is kind of annoying. Change desktop. Okay, forget about it. I'll just do that later on when I install that thing. Wow, why does it? Oh, I like this scroll bar. It's nice, but this is kind of fade out. The font color doesn't match. It should be white or something, so anyone can see what they're actually clicking on. Okay. I cannot see the thing. That's what I'm saying. I cannot see the next. Wait, how can I click the buttons though? Okay, must change the resolution. It's necessary at this point. System settings, sure. And displays, let's see if I can change to any other resolution. I'll go with this one over here. Yeah, it sounds perfect. Keep this configuration. Thank you so much. And let's close this. We're good. Now if I click on that, okay, now I can see. And as I said before, the fonts are like fade out in the darkness of this theme. I guess that's why it's called Satanic. Continue. Okay, has at least 3.9 gigabytes available drive space, is connected to the internet. Oh, no, 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 no. Disconnects. Okay, I don't want to download anything. Sorry, not sorry. Continue. Bro, please, whoever created this, why did you just make everything just hard to see? Appearance. Appearance is there is no, choose this one, I guess? Yeah, that's much better. Definitely, yeah. Now I can see what I'm dealing with. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Continue. And yes, this is my virtual disk. Install now. Now it's gonna start installing. Oh yeah, I still have to configure things. New York, sure. Oh, the installation process didn't really change that much. From 2012 to 2025, the same thing almost. There's not that much difference. Okay, so Jason, and pick a username. It's Jason, and the password gonna be definitely no 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or maybe you know what? I'll just 1, then 1. I'm good. Why do I have to like type a long ass password when I can just select 1 as my password? Cool. Continue. Almost finished copying files. Why this window became so small? Wow. Okay. You know, I'm really excited to see what they have with this version of Ubuntu, this Satanic Edition. What's make it so satanic? I guess we're gonna find out after this gets installed. And yeah, we're gonna play the waiting game now. And after this, actually copy everything to my virtual hard disk and it installs itself, then I will get back to you guys. So it's basically took around 5 minutes, or less than 5 minutes actually, 3 minutes to install. Really cool. Restart now. Alright, I'm excited. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, I'm excited for that one. I'm actually excited to ruin it, because that's what I do. I mean, what the point of installing a Linux distribution if you're not gonna ruin the shit out of it? Okay. Oh wow, Satanic. Alright, so now I will enter my password, which is really complicated. Nobody could guess it. But here you go. Yeah, turn off audio. I don't need any audio for the moment. And wow, okay. Open Metalcast. That's where I will start with. Open this. Oh, wow. Whoa, wait. Okay, wait. Actually, the resolution. Yep, I cannot handle this. It's super stupid. Go back, display, then go with yes, apply. Good. Now close this, go over here, and we have a whole album of metal music. Does it play? Let's just try to play one of those. Of course, I have no audio, so I'm just seeing if it's actually gonna play or not. Buffering. A new version of Ubuntu is available. Do you like to up? Hell no. Ubuntu 14. Okay, so this is Ubuntu 10, and the maximum I could go is Ubuntu 14.04, but nope. Close this, and I don't want no internet access whatsoever. Enable networking, no don't. Is this offline or online? Yeah, so you need internet connection in order to listen to this music, I guess? I don't know if they're music in the first place, but oopsies, if it's not, then it doesn't matter. Advanced settings. What does those? Okay, so desktop, I can change the font, the shell. Oh, let's open the shell actually. How can I open the shell? Maybe Windows C. No? No, I don't think that's the case. How to open the terminal actually? Somewhere over here. Can I search for the terminal? No, I cannot search. Good. Documents. So, alright. I need to search somewhere over here. Maybe in system tools. UX term. That looks like a terminal to me. Oh wow. It's very basic. I thought it's gonna be barely customized at least to be more satanic, but oopsies. Nope. Sudo. What about that? So my password one, here you go. Command not found? What? No way. Sounds and video. Okay, those are just, you know, Ubuntu / GNOME tools, whatever. Sound recorder, office, document viewer, internet, desktop sharing, blah, 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 blah. BitTorrent clients? Sure. Graphic, image. Where are the satanic games, goddammit? So we have mines, sure. 8x8. Look, I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm just saying, look at that. Look. Oh no, I'm so bad. Close this. Go back to games. Now we have solitaire, this. I don't know what that is. Huh? How do we even play this? By just clicking, moving stuff? No? Alright. The last game on the list. Open! Hey! Please. Okay. Sudoku. Sure. I remember playing that game when my dad first installed Ubuntu in his HP laptop. And I didn't even know how to play it. If I'm gonna be honest, maybe I'm just so stupid. What do I do? Oh, so I can use the keyboard to type numbers and yeah. Well, I'm too stupid for that one. Accessories. Here's the terminal. But that's the actual terminal. Then if that's the terminal, what is that? The shell? System tool? Huh. I have no idea. Why we have two terminals? Sure. I mean, I don't mind it. I don't even need a terminal. Screenshots. Yeah, let's take a screenshot of this beautiful desktop. Grab the whole desktop, sure, take a screenshot. Isn't that cool? Save it. You gonna save it. Ubuntu Software Center. Sure. Maybe I will need to connect to the internet at this point. Let's do that. Let's just do that for the sake of checking this out. Go full screen. I clicked on something. All software accessories. Well, actually, we do have things we can download. Oh, wow. How can I install it though? So are those already installed or something? Graphics, games. Let's download some games. We have T-words, we have simulations. Wait, sound and video. Yeah, what if we try to edit some videos in Ubuntu Satanic Edition? That will be cool. What is this? Phase, harmonic, advanced, blah, 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 blah. More info. Use the source. Don't think it's gonna work, but sure. Huh? No, are you being serious? Is this actually doing something right now? No way. Progress. I see nothing. All software. Ask Ubuntu Lens. What's that? Install. Yeah, why not? Let's just install it. Password 1. Sure. Did it install? I will be surprised if that actually still works. But nope, I don't think. It says waiting and then here it's acquiring software sources, which probably never gonna happen. Okay, close this. What else we have? So virtual desktops. Sure. And over here we have this little cute icon places. We've been through all of this. Alright, let's check the themes. Desktop, sure. So where are the satanic wallpapers? Oh no, so satanic. Oh, did you see that? Did you just see that? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. What about this one? Ubuntu Satanic Edition. Sure. What about this one? Bloody hell. What about this one? Sure. Any satanic... Oh wow. That's even more satanic, I would say. I mean, I know this is the default wallpaper for Ubuntu, but I mean, never mind. What about that? That's so cursed. That's seriously so cursed. But because it's so cursed, I'll keep that one. Alright? So high contrast inverse. Yeah, what if I use that one? It will be even more cursed. Or maybe that one. I'm not sure. Which one does look good? Does they have any red themes? This one looks normal. This one is the Ubuntu defaults one, and we have that one. So you're telling me I basically have no themes for this specific Satanic Edition Ubuntu? Seriously? So you added a wallpaper and a pack of icons, which I'm sure those are not custom, are they? Where's the theme I was using? Wasn't it? Oh, wait, did it just disappear? Seriously, wait, this one? No? No way, being serious? Wait, the application panel has closed unexpected. Okay, sure, close. I don't care. Can I get myself another tab over here? Now what will I do? Appearance, all settings, no. I want my theme back. I will restart and see what's gonna happen. Maybe this will fix it. So start? Really silly. Seriously. So you have the theme, but it's not there. there, it's hidden. You cannot select the Satanic theme. As it's back, yes, look at that. One, will I have the Satanic theme once again? Nope, not really. I will keep it, that's fine, I will keep it. I will keep it, no big deal. So, where are the apps or the things they were talking about? The custom stuff, games? So that's all about it. So they added this, a wallpaper, maybe some sound effects, which I didn't really hear and I'm not interested. And they called it the Ubuntu Satanic Edition. Bro, that's the most low effort Linux distribution I ever seen in my life. Literally. Okay, now let's just turn this into a normal Linux distribution once again and bring everything back to defaults, right? Because why not? Radiance, sure. And here you go. Delete this. Can I delete this somehow? Move to trash. I don't need you. Advanced settings, move to trash. Seriously. And look at that. Oh yeah, I still need to configure the lock screen, right? So I need to go over here, system settings, and maybe appearance. No, that's not the one. Oh, here you go. No, what? Brightness and look screen. Okay, I cannot customize the looks of the lock screen. Ubuntu 1, what is this? Install Ubuntu 1 and photos, no, cancel. Display color, additional drivers. Can you install drivers for me, please? Please, I cannot. Really? Silly you. Bluetooth, I don't even have Bluetooth. Keyboard, mouse, graphic tablet, sound, printers, power. Don't suspend, okay. Nice. And my scroll wheel doesn't work. I tried to scroll using the scroll wheel, but nope, that's not working. Backup, dates, details. Why can't I customize the lock screen though? Align. Display, maybe in display. No? No, I don't think so. That's it. That's all about it. Alright, so if I remember the command, I will go somewhere over here. Then to terminal, accessories. It's an access. Please open. Open! Terminal. Now watch. Sudo, what was it? This, and then this. One. There you go. Bye bye, Ubuntu Satanic Edition. I will wish you luck booting once again. You will be missed. You know, honestly, I got my expectations really high. I thought this was gonna be a really cool project. You know, besides the really weird name, Satanic Edition, Ubuntu Satanic Edition, but I had really high expectations. But I guess nothing will work once again in the Satanic Edition, the Ubuntu Satanic Edition. We have no apps, no places, nothing work. What about this? Doesn't work? Virtual desktops? Nothing. Can I go back to the look screen? No look screen, no right click, and yeah, I guess that was really it. Ubuntu Satanic Edition. Now, before I end this video, I have one really short message for every Linux developer that creates things like custom Linux distributions with themes and all kind of cool stuff. Please try to invest some time in your Linux distribution. Please, if you're gonna create a custom thing that will look amazing and that people will like to use, please actually invest some time in it. Because if you don't, we'll have something like this. A Linux distribution that's in the first glance will give you hopes that it will be a cool project, but then you realize that it's just Ubuntu with wallpapers and custom icons. So yeah, I'm just saying, if you guys want to be lazy, it's not my problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what's your opinion about the Ubuntu Satanic Edition. I will see you in the next one.